Prinsesa.
Malayo ng land.
Mga binibini, ginang at ginoo, kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparan ng Puerto Princesa. Maligayang pagdating.
Lagi ako nagkakasabi
Mo all this, lupita ko.
Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelts. Huwag po lamang kunin ng mga hand-carried baggage hanggang ang ating eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto.
Hala, may
Sa
effect
ng
ng
Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Puerto Princesa Airport. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. Please take precaution in retrieving your baggage from the overhead storage bins, as this may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. On behalf of Captain On behalf of Captain Ferdinand Ganayo, First Officer Nathaniel Cruz, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, Asia's first shining through. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.